Menon. JNU Academy is an independent platform for the students of JNU. As a group, we strive to enrich the academic community by organizing talks and discussions on themes that are of social and academic relevance. Since we are an entirely student-driven organization, we need your monetary support. So I would urge you all to consider contributing your part so that we can organize more such events in the future. Moving on to today's discussion, we have gathered here to discuss Professor Nivedita Menon's Secularism as Misdirection, Critical Thought from the Global South. The book traces how the discourse of secularism fixes attention to and hyper-visibilizes religion and women while obscuring other related issues, showing how secularism is often invoked to serve capital and anti-minority politics. Menon exposes it as a strategy of governance that is compatible paradoxically with both democracy and authoritarianism, capitalism and socialism. Instead, Menon suggests that transformative politics is better imagined by stepping out of the frame offered by secularism. With this note, let me introduce our panel for the day, beginning with the author of the book herself, Professor Nivedita Menon, who hardly needs an introduction. However, since the occasion demands it, I shall endeavour to provide one. Nivedita Menon is a professor in the Center for Comparative Politics and Political Theory, School of International Studies at Jawaharlal Nehru University, where she teaches political thought. Menon has written and edited several books about feminism and politics, including the 2004 volume, Recovering Subversion, Feminist Politics, Beyond Law and Seeing Like a Feminist, among others. Our first discussant for today's discussion is Professor Rachna Johri. Professor Johri, who is a professor at the School of Human Studies and director of the Center for Psychotherapy and Clinical Research at Ambedkar University, Delhi till last year. Currently, she divides her time between her work as a psychoanalytic counselor and as a visiting professor in psychology at BMU. Her interest lies in the intersection of gender, psychology and culture reflected in her research and writing on motherhood, psychoanalysis, disability and mental health. She co-edited the volume The Gendered Body in South Asia, which has been published recently by Routledge. The next discussant for the session is Priyadarshini Vijayashree. Dr. Vijayashree is a cultural historian and is currently an associate professor at CSDS Delhi. Her research interests include caste and tribal cultural histories, census and known modern forms of history. We have with us Dr. Rahul Govin, who has been teaching history at the University of Delhi since 2009 and has held fellowships at Columbia University, CSDS Delhi, the Indian Institute of Advanced Studies Shimla and the University of Cambridge. He has published several articles in academic journals on themes ranging from political economy and political philosophy to imperialism and jurisprudence, as well as 2 books, The Infinite Double and most recently, The King's Plunder, The King's Bodies. Before inviting the speakers, I will briefly outline the format for the discussion. Firstly, Professor Menon will give her opening remarks for around 15 to 20 minutes. After that, each discussant will speak for 10 to 12 minutes. Again, Professor Menon will respond to the discussants. After Professor Menon has replied to the discussants, we would open the floor for question-answer session to the audience. With this, I hand over to Professor Menon to start the session. Over to you, ma'am.